What's up, guys? Back with another video, and today we're gonna be doing extra spicy hot Cheetos. So we have the hot Cheetos right here, the hot sauce, and my glass of milk, just in case it's too spicy. So I'm gonna open the hot sauce. Then I'm just gonna squirt it on there. Yes, sir. Yeah, put that on there. Let's use the rest of this thing. Alright. Oh god, I'm scared. Oh, it's just in here. I'm doing a video. Okay. Oh god. Actually good. Let's try one of these. Oh shoot.
Oh shoot. Gotta eat them all now.
Spicy King Cam would do this no problem.
Yeah.
Yeah, he loves frozen chocolate. Next one, I'm gonna be doing the one chip challenge.
Don't use all your milk. You're gonna run out. You have an awful lot of cheesies to go.
No, we only have one.
I just don't know what's crazy. Don't wipe them on your pants.
Oh god.